Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. Today is 17th January 2023. Yesterday we were talking about a case history which was trying to prove the authenticity of the proverb a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. That story was incomplete yesterday. It will continue today. We know by now that Kapil Gupta, a very wealthy Delhi businessman, fell in love with the tutor of his own children, one Priyanka, and he started squandering money on her, unknown to his own beautiful wife Sunaina. However, when Priyanka tried to force him to divorce Sunaina and marry her, then Kapil got scared and he went and came clean with his own wife Sunaina about his torrid affair. Sunaina got very angry initially and harangued Kapil Gupta for his indiscretion. However, later she decided to cooperate with her husband Kapil Gupta, the distraught Casanova. Now, with Sunaina by his side, Kapil got more confident. Sunaina was a woman like Priyanka. She could see through Priyanka's machinations and evil intentions. At that time, when Priyanka found that Sunaina had joined forces with Kapil Gupta, she tried to back off. Now, she did not want to marry Kapil Gupta, who was older than her by several years anyway. However, Priyanka wanted an out of court settlement. For that, she, who had been squandering Kapil's money long before and who had been doing so for the past few years, now wanted a full and final settlement. Or so she claimed. She demanded 50 lakhs from Kapil as a settlement for Priyanka moving out of his life. The Casanova Kapil Gupta got very scared and he said this to Sunaina. Sunaina could see through Priyanka's machinations. She knew that now greed had completely taken over Priyanka and that she was slowly turning into a professional blackmailer. She pep talked Kapil Gupta and told him that 50 lakhs was only the beginning. Priyanka will not stop at blackmailing Kapil Gupta, Sunaina told him. She said that once the 50 lakhs had been squandered away, this same Priyanka will come again and demand some more money. Kapil Gupta was at a fix. He was an intelligent person, but he was a Casanova and he was not cunning. Ultimately, Sunaina made a devious plan and told Kapil Gupta to get rid of Priyanka once for all. Initially, Kapil Gupta got scared, but now he had no other go but to play along with Sunaina. He took two or three of his own henchmen and they all kidnapped Priyanka on the pretext of taking her for an outing. Then, after that, they sedated Priyanka, drove her to the border of Haryana and Rajasthan, and then, when they found that there was no one who was looking, they killed her and dumped her body on the highway in a remote place. After that, they tried to burn the body but were not very successful. After killing and dumping Priyanka's body, these guys returned to Delhi and began going about their own life peacefully. By now, Kapil Gupta and Sunaina thought that their problems were all behind them. But it was not the case. Nemesis strikes even the most wary transgressor. According to criminal psychiatrists, a criminal makes at least 25 small mistakes during a crime. Even if he remembers half of them after committing the crime, he is a genius. Here, Kapil was intelligent, but he was no genius. The police found the body and began investigating the case. While investigating, they came across an informer who told them that he had spotted one Delhi registration mark car which was hovering around this place at the same time when this body was dumped in that area. Police got alerted and it started checking in every checkpost that led from Delhi to Haryana and from Haryana to Rajasthan, especially in that particular bypass or remote area. Ultimately, they tracked this car in which Kapil had carried or kidnapped Priyanka and had her murdered by his own henchmen. The police tracked this car and from there they went to Delhi and started investigating. They came to know about Priyanka, the tuition teacher who was missing for the past few weeks and whose missing complaint had already been registered in the local police station. After inquiring about Priyanka, they came to know that she had a large clientele, and among them was Kapil Gupta and Sunaina, whose children Priyanka was tutoring. When these people got suspicious of Kapil Gupta and Sunaina and they arrested and interrogated them, these couple had no other alternative but to come clean with the police. They told the police how Kapil had been victimized by one evil that was lust and Priyanka was victimized by another evil called greed. Lust and greed played their evil game in such a way that Kapil had to lose everything because he had ignored the bird in hand, Sulena, and gone to get Priyanka, the second bird too, and lost Priyanka and his own life. Similarly, Priyanka, who could have been satisfied with what she was getting from Kapil, wanted more, as a result of which she had to be killed and she lost everything, including her own life. This is a story that tells us how a bird in hand is worth two in the bush and how lust, greed, anger, illusion, and false ego, the five necessary evils that plague human beings, must be avoided at any cost. Kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I may keep reminding you of my other videos. Till we meet in my next video, it is good morning from TSV Raghavan.